Hey there. In this video, I'm going to talk about why Apple can charge $3,500 for the Vision Pro and still make money. The Vision Pro is Apple's first mixed reality headset that was announced at WWDC 2023. It features a high-resolution display, eye and hand tracking, spatial audio, and access to the App Store. It also comes with a battery pack that you can carry in your pocket or wear on your belt. But the most shocking thing about the Vision Pro is its price tag, $3,500. That's more than 7 times the price of the Oculus Quest 3, which is one of the most popular VR headsets on the market. So why is Apple charging so much for the Vision Pro? And how can they expect to sell it? Well, there are several reasons why Apple's high price for the Vision Pro is actually a smart move. Take a look at them. First, Apple is following a pricing strategy called skimming. This means that they start with a high price to target early adopters and enthusiasts who are willing to pay a premium for the new technology. By doing this, Apple maximizes its profits from these early sales and recovers its research and development costs. Second, Apple is protecting its brand image and reputation. Apple is known for making high-quality products that offer a great user experience and design. By charging a high price for the Vision Pro, Apple signals that it is a premium product that is superior to its competitors. This also helps to create a sense of exclusivity and desirability among potential customers. Third, Apple is funding its future innovation. The Vision Pro is not just a product, but a platform for spatial computing. Apple wants to create an ecosystem of apps and services that will leverage the capabilities of the headset and provide value to users. By charging a high price for the Vision Pro, Apple can invest more in developing its operating system for mixed reality and supporting developers who want to create apps for it. But what about the mass market? How will Apple reach more customers who can't afford or don't want to spend $3,500 on a headset? Well, according to some reports, Apple is already working on a cheaper version of the Vision Pro that could launch in 2025. This cheaper model could have lower quality screens, an older or less powerful chip, fewer cameras, and less storage. This way, Apple could lower the cost of production and offer a more affordable option for budget-conscious consumers. This strategy is similar to what Apple did with the iPhone and the Apple Watch. They started with expensive models that appealed to early adopters and then gradually introduced cheaper models that expanded their market share. For example, the first iPhone cost $499 for 4 GB of storage in 2007, but now you can get an iPhone SE for $399 with 64 GB of storage in 2023. So in conclusion, Apple's high price for the Vision Pro is part of a brilliant and proven strategy that helps them maximize their profits, protect their brand, and fund their future innovation. It also sets them up for launching a cheaper version of the headset in the future that could appeal to a wider audience and increase their market share. That's from Whatxactly.